Millionaires are made in markets like these, guys, and I want to be the one to let you know it's your time to take advantage of it, okay? So in this video, I am going to detail and show you a few stocks I'm interested in purchasing long-term or a long time, and explain to you why I'm interested them on actual charts. Okay, guys, this is the time to take advantage, and I'm going to show you exactly why and how. But before we go there, can you do me a quick favor? Go ahead and help this video get to 1,000 likes. Go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. And if you have not done so yet, go ahead and subscribe. So let's get into a little bit of teaching exactly why and how I'm picking these particular stocks, right? When it comes to the market right now, the market is dropping. So what that does for us as regular traders or regular investors, guys, this gives us an opportunity to purchase companies or stocks that we could not have purchased previously at a discount. Think of it as a sale where you go and you would have loved to get those shoes, but they were at that out of your price range. But now when they're on sale, you feel more comfortable to actually access that. It's the same concept when it comes to stocks. So when the market is showing fearful and stocks are dropping, prices are dropping, this is an opportunity for us regular folks to jump in on this opportunity. We buy low and then we do what? We sell high. One of the things you need to do in regards to seeing if this company is something that you should be interested in investing is what you call fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis is looking at the company at a broad spectrum. So you're looking at a few different factors to determine if this is a favorable company that you would want to invest in long term. You're looking for a company that can bounce back, that's going to have returns, that has customers that are willing to come back and purchase them. This is just a temporary dip in time, and eventually it will go up. So that being said, guys, it is definitely that time to not be scared of the market. It is a time to change your life. And this is the opportunity. When rich see these opportunities, guys, they're scooping it up because they understand the fact that something that used to be worth a certain price is now a lot cheaper. And guess what they do? Wait for the price to go back up and sell. So guess what we do? We follow the money. We're doing the exact same thing. So let's go ahead and let me show you the particular stocks that I'm looking at and, give you a visual to wrap your head around this. Without further ado, let's get to why I'm here. Let's get to these charts. So here are the stocks we're going to talk about that I'm interested in picking up some shares for long term. I just want to give you a visual here. I'm looking at mytradingview.com, and this is just a literal breakdown of price action of this particular ticker over a period of time, okay? So what I have here is snow, right? It's called Snowflake Inc. And the ticker symbol is literally the word snow, right? What we need to do at this time is to look at the charts, right? And look at these particular stocks and realize that they are on sale. And what would make me want to buy into a particular stock is not only that they're on sale, right? But also that the fundamental analysis checks out, right? Is this company something that, over a long period of time can eventually bounce back, right? So with that being said, I want to give you a visual of, the literal growth of your particular investment in a particular stock like this. So at one point, right, y'all, in 2020, right, December of 2020, Snow shares were at $429, okay? $430, right? And currently, those same shares of that particular stock is trading at 150, 149, right? It's fluctuating because the market is open right now. What that means for me, if I was looking at this as a long-term investor, is to say that eventually this stock could possibly get back up to this level, right? And my $150 shares can eventually get back up to this $400 mark. And even if we're in the threes, right? Y'all, that is a great return on your investment. So you have to be able to, one, look at these particular stocks and see that they're clearly on sale, right? And also be able to have the funds to secure some shares in this and let it sit and give you that return on your investment, okay? So the next ticker symbol we all know of and that I'm looking to pick up some shares of is Alibaba, right? The ticker symbol for that is BABA. And what I want to show you is that at one point, right, in 2020, the Baba shares were trading at $319 a share, $319 a share. Currently dropping, and it is now at $115 a share. Okay, so eventually the Baba shares can get back up to this 319, 315 range, or in the 200 range. But whatever the case is, my friends, you buy low and you sell high. That is the name of the game. That is how families are changed. Life-changing money happens when you're able to get something at a discounted price and sell it at a higher price. Okay. All right. Last but not least, and this one, I've already got some messages on it. So go ahead and write your comments. If you do agree, disagree, put it in the comment section so I can see it. But listen, Tesla is the thing, and I'm not going against Tesla, right? One of the things that you have to look at when it comes to fundamental analysis is a strong CEO. And I said this before, I'm going to say it again. Strong CEO. Hello, if the CEO of a company is in a very much close proximity to the leader of the free world in the sense of our president, well, my friends, I am not hedging that bet. I'm not going against that, right? So Tesla is a stock that I am long-term looking to pick up shares of. Reason being, guys, it is at a discount. It is on sale. Literally December of 2024. It is currently at $262 per share, right? So that's a discount, like clear discount. And obviously, if there's anything that pops in the near future, which we already see that things may do that, being the leader, I've said that before, the leader in when it comes to the technological advancement, my friends, and also space exploration, guys, we cannot deny the writing on the wall when it comes to this company. And I'm gonna put my money where my mouth is. I'm here to, like I said, make wise investments. Fundamental analysis, and fundamental analysis does not mean I have to like the CEO. I just gotta like the numbers, and I do. All right. So I hope this is helpful. One last point I wanted to make when it came to these guys, the peaks that I showed you in regards to the stocks that I'm interested in, that's not the highest point. They can continue going, right? So it's just to show you, my friends, that it is at a low right now. It is at a discount. It is at a dip. And remember what I was saying, you buy low, sell high, right? So I hope this was helpful. And my last disclaimer is to make sure you do your very own due diligence. I am not a financial advisor. I am just giving you insight in what I'm doing. All right. All right, y'all. So I hope this video was helpful and gave you a little bit of insight in regards to long-term investing. But if you're interested in day trading, seeing my actual screen and trading with me live daily, all you need to do is check out the description box below or comment the word Discord. And let me know if you liked videos like this. Let me know in the comment section. I like to read my comments and respond to y'all. And go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you have not done so yet. And make sure you hit that subscribe button because I'm going to do videos like this all the time. See you next time.